A massive, unspoken panic is currently rippling through the Silicon Valleys of the West as a highly classified corporate leak shatters the artificial intelligence market in July 2026. For the past year, American tech giants operating under the protective umbrella of aggressive government sanctions assumed that cutting off China's access to high-end Nvidia Blackwell architectures would permanently cripple Eastern AI capabilities. However, recent intelligence and internal manufacturing data confirmed that DeepSeek has quietly broken the hardware chokehold by entering the advanced stages of developing its own sovereign AI processor. This custom-built silicon isn't just another attempt to replicate Western graphics cards. It is a highly specialized Inference ASIC, engineered specifically to run deep reasoning neural networks at a fraction of current global computing costs. The sudden realization that a heavily sanctioned Chinese startup is on the verge of commercializing independent, hyper-efficient hardware has immediately sent shockwaves through Wall Street, causing an unprecedented overnight correction in Nvidia's market valuation.
The strategic genius behind DeepSeek's secret hardware program lies in a fundamental shift away from the expensive, power-hungry training architectures favored by the West. While American developers continue to spend billions of dollars stockpiling massive GPU clusters simply to process raw data brute force style, DeepSeek is optimizing for the endgame, mass market deployment and execution. By focusing entirely on a dedicated inference chip, Chinese engineers are stripping away the complex, redundant graphical rendering components found in traditional GPUs, creating a streamlined silicon matrix optimized solely for token generation and algorithmic logic. This targeted engineering bypasses the need for restricted, ultra-precise sub-3 nanometer Western fabrication processes, allowing DeepSeek to utilize highly efficient, custom multi-die architectures that can be mass-produced within China's domestic supply chain. We are no longer looking at a mere software battle. The geopolitical tech race has officially mutated into a war for vertical integration, and the monopoly on the future of computing is actively slipping away.
The most unsettling revelation for Western computer scientists is that DeepSeek's recent software breakthroughs were actually a brilliantly coordinated smokescreen. For months, the open-source community marveled at the unprecedented efficiency of Chinese models, assuming it was merely elegant algorithmic coding. In reality, proprietary technical frameworks from mid-2026 confirmed that DeepSeek's mathematical models were engineered from day one to operate in perfect synergy with their upcoming secret silicon. Their revolutionary data architecture, codenamed Engram, completely rewrites how an AI handles memory. Instead of forcing a processor to constantly waste bandwidth, pulling massive text files from external memory blocks, a massive bottleneck known as the memory wall, Engram splits computational reasoning from factual storage, pre-sorting parameters directly on the fly. This architectural shift is accelerated by their proprietary DSpark framework, which bypasses the entire traditional software stack controlled by Nvidia's CUDA ecosystem. By utilizing aggressive speculative decoding, DSpark allows the AI to predict and generate multi-token strings simultaneously before the core chip even finishes its primary calculation. My analysis of these integrated systems reveals that DeepSeek has effectively achieved a total phase change in software-hardware co-design. They didn't build a chip to run existing AI software. They engineered a radical new class of AI architecture that strips away the need for raw, brute force Western computing power, making standard American cloud infrastructure look obsolete.
This integrated strategy exposes the absolute failure of Washington's technological blockade. For years, Western trade restrictions were built on a singular, rigid assumption. If you deny China access to extreme ultraviolet lithography machines from ASML, you permanently freeze their computing power at a primitive level. However, DeepSeek has exposed the massive flaw in this logic by focusing entirely on an inference architecture rather than a training processor. While training massive neural networks requires hyper-dense, sub-3 nanometer silicon to survive extreme thermal thresholds, executing an optimized model requires far less structural strain. DeepSeek's engineers realize that their highly efficient mixture of expert software allows them to bypass the need for Western supply chains entirely. By shifting to advanced multi-die packaging, domestic Chinese foundries like SMIC can link multiple mature 7-nanometer crystals into a unified, high-bandwidth processing matrix. This structural bypass effectively bridges the raw hardware gap through sheer architectural intelligence. My analysis of these production pipelines indicates that DeepSeek's custom silicon will be able to deliver unprecedented token throughput at a fraction of the power consumption of a standard Nvidia cluster. By leveraging their proprietary software to compensate for physical fabrication limits, China hasn't just bypassed the American blockade, they have fundamentally altered the economics of semiconductor manufacturing. The emergence of DeepSeek's sovereign silicon marks the definitive end of the Western tech monopoly and transitions the global artificial intelligence race from an era of brute force hardware hoarding into a brutal war of vertical integration. For the past 5 years, the global tech hierarchy was dictated entirely by who could secure the largest allocation of Nvidia's supply chains, forcing massive conglomerates to spend hundreds of billions of dollars on generalized, power-hungry cloud farms. DeepSeek has shattered this paradigm by proving that a highly focused, application-specific integrated circuit can completely neutralize a competitor's raw physical advantage. This tactical pivot has forced immediate, chaotic counter-strategies across the Pacific. Industry insiders confirm that OpenAI is drastically accelerating the deployment of its own custom in-house hardware architecture, codenamed Jalapeno, while Google scrambles to lock down domestic infrastructure. The market is suddenly realizing that universal graphics cards are a legacy solution. The future belongs entirely to proprietary closed-loop ecosystems, where the neural network's code and the underlying silicon crystal are designed by the exact same engineers, engineered from birth to act as a single, symbiotic planetary mind. As we look toward the remainder of this decade, the geopolitical and economic implications of this silent technological mutation will reshape the global balance of power. By successfully commercializing a sovereign inference chip that functions entirely outside the boundaries of the Western financial and trade matrix, China has achieved complete, unassailable compute security. The aggressive trade restrictions designed by Washington to isolate the East have achieved the exact opposite of their intended purpose. They have acted as an evolutionary catalyst, forcing Chinese tech giants to build a hyper-efficient, independent semiconductor ecosystem from the ground up. The global economy is now staring directly into a fractured digital reality divided between two irreconcilable tech stacks, each fighting to deliver the cheapest, fastest tokens to billions of autonomous AI agents. One reality remains completely undeniable. The absolute dominance of American silicon has officially collapsed, and as DeepSeek prepares to scale its domestic manufacturing pipelines, the world is about to witness an industrial revolution driven not by the raw power of Western billions, but by the undeniable supremacy of architectural intelligence.